Yo, peace reflection. I say peace reflection because when I see you, I see me. So all I'm trying to do is elevate the energy. You know what I'm saying? So peace reflection.
Darce on the beat.
Peace. You know I be calling you, and you don't wanna answer me. You know I be calling you, and you don't wanna answer me. Why do I be calling you, and you don't answer me? Yo, I be calling you, me answer me. Hey, I be calling for a long time. See, I be calling for a long time. Yo, I been calling for a long time. Pick up the phone one time, just one time. Baby, I've been calling you, and you don't wanna answer me. I'm trying to figure out, trying to catch the beat. Cause you got me meeting me up off my feet. I'm trying to stumble in up in the streets, and these niggas looking at me like, nah, this ain't you, cause you be moving so properly. But I'm like, wait a minute, it's that love thing. They give me beginnings, yeah, and I'll just be calling, trying to figure out how did the energy just switch when I control shit. Yeah, I be dibbing and dabbling in energies, nigga, but I never fuck up the beat, so we was grooving. What the hell happened? We moving. Hey, moving stagnant energy out the way, we cruising. Now all of a sudden you wanna do something different, and now you wonder why I'm tripping. Been calling you, answer. I've been calling you, answer me. Baby, I've been calling you. You don't wanna answer me. Pick up the phone. I just don't know how to leave you alone. Would you pick up the phone? Pick up the phone. I don't know how to leave you alone. Leave you alone. You know I be calling you. That's some motherfucking groove. And you don't wanna answer me. You know that I've been calling you. Answer me. So don't get mad when I call somebody who won't pick up for me. Don't pick up for me. Gon' pick up for me. Don't be mad when somebody gon' pick up for me. Gon' pick up for me. Gon' pick up for me. Don't be mad when he pick up for me. When he pick up for me, it's gonna be magic. We out of here.